How to unlink Activision account COD mobile. Welcome to Glitz Sosara, and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, open up a browser that you prefer. Search for Unlink Activision account. Tap on Managing your Activision account. We need to do so as COD mobile does not support direct unlink option. Now once you are in your Managing account option, you need to tap on Unlinking platform account. Now follow the instruction provided to you. Firstly, sign in into your Activision account. In the account linking, find the account you wish to unlink and select on the Unlink button. It is a quick and easy process. However, if you face any of the difficulty regarding it, you can contact the Activision support. You can reach out to Activision support through the Activision website or the COD website. Follow the instruction provided to you by the instructor or the agent. Also, before unlinking, consider the impact. You might even lose your game progress that is linked to your Activision account. Also, any in-game purchase made using that account will be lost as well. You might lose the cross-platform functionality. Now, once you have known the impact, consider regarding the unlink, and if you are confirmed, follow the step mentioned above. Which brings us to the end of this video as well. We hope that you found this informative and helpful to you.